Hey guys, I want to show y'all if I can get it open. My fidget spinners. Ouch. Okay. Okay. Sorry, my hair's a mess and my room is. Okay, this one is this kind. It lights up. Got this at the mall. Cost $7. And it has these buttons that you can turn them on. Sorry, I'm a crappy YouTuber. This one is a Bluetooth one. You see the speaker? Spins fast. Pretty fast. This one is one I painted. I didn't get to finish the other side. I didn't get to finish this one. It's spinning pretty fast too. Wait, I gotta fix it. Okay, go. What is wrong with this thing? Gotta take the bearing out. I think I know what's wrong with it. Anyway, it's not spinning because I just don't know why it's not spinning. But, so, yeah. And that's sorry it's for a short video, and see you in the next one.